And it's better than Jigme anyway. I carry. No, he's in plat, but he's ass.
No! Fuck, I died to this easy click. Oh.
This man keeps breaking up the ass and Rocket League.
I can't play Rocket League because A, it's too addicting for me, and B, I get so mad at it.
The tilting actually is insane.
That's why you just stop playing FP.
That's actually the method.
What did I live?
I hope that cube fucking lives.
I used to start. So your golden ones, you can be platinum, like you can be plat or diamond. Ones is ass.
There we go.
What is wrong with one?
Basically, everyone in ones is like cheating and shit, so it's just a fun experience. Or at least if you're like good at the game. Hudson knows this very well because yesterday I kept bitching about someone who was DDoSing.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, he's locked in. What
Oh
the
my
fuck?
fucking god! I got 53 on Black Blizzard.
What the fluke? Insane fluke? Are you even recording? Okay, you are.
I'm recording. Oh my fucking god.
Zero.